our 4-liter commercial blender. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 9.5 inches, a depth of 9 inches, an overall height, we have 22.5 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the speed control from low to high, timer, and pulse. Split into 2 sections, you get multiple functions. Your choice of juice, ice crushing, or smoothies, grinding, sauce, and soup. And on top will be the timer and the speed that's currently set for. Flip cover in the front. The blender jar can be removed. Coming to the top is the removable steam cap, along with the interlockable cover on top. Blender jar measurements will include 12 inches in height and a radius of 7 inches. The bottom of the blending jar will be the spinning blade and numerical indicators outside the blending jar. Blender jar will rest inside the blender, and the safety front cover can be closed back into place. Coming back of the blender will be the ETL certification, along with the technical specification for this blender. And lastly, this runs on 110, 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.